A lot of people think starting a YouTube automation channel is really hard, like rocket science. They believe you need a perfect niche, great video ideas, and a lot of money to get started. But today, I'm going to prove that wrong. In this video, I'll start a brand new YouTube channel from scratch and show you everything step by step. How to find a video idea, write a script, create a voiceover, edit the video, and make a thumbnail. So make sure you don't skip this video. Otherwise, you might end up getting results like this. Take a look at this channel. It has over 300,000 subscribers with just 9 videos. That's insane. As you can see, most of its videos have over 1 million views. Now, here's another channel. This one is almost the same and has over 200,000 subscribers. This clearly shows that this niche is working, and we can start in it too. Now the question is, how do you start in this niche, especially if you're a beginner? This niche is about self-improvement, but in a different style. They use simple stick figure animations, which are actually very easy to create. Don't worry, I'll explain everything in this video. First, we need a YouTube channel. If you already have an old channel, don't create a new one. Just use the old one. But if you don't have one, then go ahead and create a new channel. After creating your channel, you should use YouTube like a normal user for at least 1 to 2 weeks. This is because when you create a new channel, the YouTube algorithm may treat it like a bot at first. But when you watch videos, like them, and subscribe to channels, YouTube starts recognizing you as a real user. So this step is very important. Don't skip it. Now that your channel is created, let's design a logo and a banner. I'm going to use Canva for this. First, select Custom Size and enter 2000 by 2000 pixels for the logo. Here's an important step. Choose your color carefully. This color will become your personal brand and help your channel stand out. I'm going with white. Now, let's add an element. While choosing elements, avoid the ones with a crown icon because those are paid. Pick a free one instead. I selected this one. Now just add your channel name. Keep the design simple, clean, and minimal. Next, let's create the banner. Select 2560 by 1440 pixels. I'm going to keep banners simple and minimal. It will look great on all devices. And that's it. Your channel is ready. Now we need a script. This is the most important part of the whole process. If your video is engaging, people will watch it. If not, you might lose motivation and give up. So instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, just look at your competitors' best performing videos. You can take inspiration from them and create something similar. This is the video I'm taking inspiration from. Based on that, I'm going to make a video on this topic. Why doers win and thinkers stay stuck. It sounds interesting and clickable. You can also use ChatGPT to help you create a script. Just give it a clear prompt and it will generate a script based on your topic. But be careful. Don't use a fully AI-generated script. You should always rewrite at least 50–60% of it in your own words. This makes your content more original, because YouTube doesn't allow fully AI-generated script. Now let's create an AI voiceover. I'm going to use a free tool since we don't want to spend money right now. The tool is called Speechma, and it's completely free. You can generate unlimited audio with it. Just paste your script here, complete the CAPTCHA, and click the Generate button. Your voiceover will be ready in seconds. Now it's time to create the visuals. I studied several videos in this niche, and they all follow a similar structure. First, we introduce 2 types of people. The one who only thinks about taking action, and the one who actually takes action. Then, we explain why the second type, the doer, is better. After that, we share a personal experience. It can even be a made-up story, but it should relate to your topic and feel real. Finally, in the last part of the video, we guide viewers on how to take action. We can present this as an execution framework. Now it's time to edit the video. I'm going to use CapCut. It's very easy to use and perfect for beginners. For the stick figure visuals, I'll provide a Google Docs link in the pinned comment. You can find prompts there for both visuals and your script. Just paste your script and type what kind of action or scene you want. That's it. Now import your voiceover and match the visuals with your audio. Once everything is synced, add auto captions. This helps keep viewers engaged. Now, let's look at the final result.
There are two types of people in this world, the thinker and the doer. The thinker spends hours planning, analyzing, imagining perfect outcomes. They want everything to be clear before they start. The doer? They don't wait for clarity. They create it.
Now we're at the final and one of the most important parts, thumbnail design. I'm going to use Canva again. Select a landscape size for your thumbnail. Keep it very simple and easy to understand. I'll place a thinker figure on the left side and a doer figure on the right side, something like this. Then I'll add simple text like thinker versus doer. That's it. It looks clean and clickable. Now all you have to do is upload videos consistently for at least 30 days, and then enjoy the results.